Welcome to Learn with Amin. In this video, we'll see on how to waive medical insurance from Trine University so that the student health insurance is not added to your fee payment. Now, let us consider that you have an insurance from outside of the Trine University, either some private insurance or an insurance through your employer if you are joining Trine University on day one CPT. So, in either of the cases, if you just have a private insurance from outside, if you are a dependent on someone who is currently working, so you would be a dependent on his or her medical insurance, then you can apply for the medical insurance exemption from Trine University so that the student health insurance is not added to the student fee. So for that, first of all, you need to go to Trine portal. So this is a Trine student portal. So this is Trine University home. Now, in order to log in to this, you would have to get Trine University email address and you have to set up a password. So click on login. Now, this is going to ask you for your full email address of the Trine University and also the password. So please enter your email address and password and then click on next. I have successfully logged into the Trine portal. Now, if this is the first time that you are logging into the Trine portal, it will also ask you to set up a backup phone number and a backup email address. Whenever you are logging into your Trine My portal, what it does is it sends an OTP either to the phone number through text or to the phone number through call. So you need to enter the one time password and then you can successfully log into the my portal for the Trine University. Now we are currently in the student, so that's where we want to be. Okay, so in the student home we can see CGPA student forms. Click on it. Now this is going to take us to the international proof of health insurance form. So this is the form that we need to fill to prove that we have health insurance from outside and we want to get exemption from the student health insurance from Trine University. Click on this form. It shows your ID, name, and the email address. Now it is asking you for the proof of insurance, and the allowed file is extensions are PDF, document, or JPG or PNG. So I would recommend PDF or JPG or PNG. So you need to choose basically a file that shows that you have an insurance from outside. Basically, it can be an insurance card or insurance policy, complete policy. Okay, so I have it over here. The insurance is from UHC, United Health Corporation. So I'm just giving the ID card. So this is uploaded. I acknowledge that this is my current health insurance form and I do not need health insurance from Trine University. Click on the radio button. I acknowledge that I have read these terms and then you need to click on submit. So after this form is filled, Trine University will process your application within the next 2 business days and they will exempt you from the student health insurance. So this is the process. I hope this is helpful. Please subscribe to my channel.